Hello all, welcome to the Engine channel. In today's video, I would like to present to you one issue that could be appear in your e-bike when you have the S8066 e-bike display. That is the Error E02 that is related to the brake system. So basically, when you have this issue, you turn on your bike and then you have this information here. Also, you have this icon in the top of this e-bike S8066 color display. And then as a consequence, you cannot start your e-bike. So first of all, let me present the setup that I made right here to understand the functionality and this error 02, why this error is appearing in this e-bike display just right now. Okay, what I'm having here is the S8066 display color version. Also, we have the e-bike motor controller. We have the battery pack, 48 volts. Finally, we have the e-bike motor that is also 48 volts. And finally, we have adjustable USB power supply that will be my throttle simulator, right? Throttle simulator because you can generate the voltage here, and is exactly how is the throttle works. They will send a voltage to the motor controller to move depending of the voltage in case of the throttle, depending of the move of the throttle that you're gonna do. Okay, so first of all, the brake system error here is because we have two switches or two sensors in each brake, in the front and also in the rear. So in case the brake is pressed during the power cycle, when you turn on your e-bike display, you will have the information of E02, right? So what I'm having here is two pairs of wires that is responsible for the information of the pressed or not the brakes, front brake and rear brake, and this status of the brake is sending to the controller. The main objective of this is to avoid that the motors receive power when you press the brakes. So you can imagine if you are having the acceleration in the motor, as for example, if you press the throttle and brake at the same time, so you have an issue, we have a fight between the brake system and the motor. So to avoid this, we have these two switches or two sensors that needs to inform to the controller to stop to send the power to the motor, right? So to simulate the E02, I'm just did a jumper here. In this wires, we have here the white wire and the black wire that is related to the e-brake. Usually you have the information about which wire in the controller is related to the brakes switches and the brake sensors. And when you have the brake pressed, we have a short in any of these pairs here. For example, if the rear brake, you have this short here when it's pressed, and the front brake, same. If you press, you have this short here in these two wires. Basically, the issue could be in case that you have an issue in the sensor or switch that is all the time is closed, means that you have the contact of these two wires. This is not a normal situation, especially when you turn on your e-bike, meaning that you are breaking the system, breaking your e-bike, and when you try to accelerate, you don't have any response for the motor just because the detector of the brake is activated, right? So in case that you just remove the jumpers here, for example, if I remove only one is not enough, right? You continue have the E02, you must have the two pairs released, two pairs without any short, then you have the immediate normalization of the E02. Now I have just the odometer here and also the icon of brakes I don't have anymore. In case that the e-bike display already on and then you press the brakes, let me do again the jumper right here. You can see that you don't have the E02 because have the brakes activate during the normal operation of the e-bike. During the e-bike display on is a normal situation. We just have the icon of braking just in the top here when you have before during the power cycle. However, in case that I have the power cycle here, I turn off and I will turn on with the jumper, right? With the short, with the brake activate, we have again E02. Then to normalize this, as you can see, I just will remove the jumper here and then you immediately have the normalization of the error 02, right? So this is a important information, especially because when you have the E02, we cannot have any movement of the motor. And this is important just to check this wire. This wire cannot be short, right? Especially because of this information for the controller. As you can see, if I accelerate by simulator the voltage in the throttle, you can see that you have movement of the motor, right? For example, now I'm having a speed of 6 miles, 7 miles per hour. And what I will do just right now is provocate a short, is simulate the activation of the brakes. And then when we have this, we have immediately stop of the motor, right? In case here that I remove the jumper of the brakes, they will return for the speed that you have before because I'm sending the same voltage for the throttle, right? So this is a common error that could be in your e-bike. I hope this video is being useful for you. So in case that you like this such of video, please consider to subscribe and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.